crowned with swirly icing, piled like a crown. I set it down to let it cool, then turned around to grab a tool. But just as I reached for the frosting tray, that cupcake flapped and flew away. It's the flying cupcake, up it zooms, over the chairs and around the brooms. Sprinkles falling like tiny stars, it looped past windows and landed on jars. Why it flew, I'll never know, but that cupcake stole the show. It soared through flour like a sugar bee, bounced off a spoon and dodged some tea. The breeze from the fan gave it a lift, like frosting wings in a birthday gift. I grabbed a napkin, made a net, but that sneaky cupcake hasn't stopped yet. Maybe the batter was too light, or the baking soda had extra might. It puffed up tall and rose too quick, like marshmallows built on a pogo stick. Next time I'll stir a little less fast. Oh, cupcake, stay and don't fly past. It's the flying cup, it zooms over the chairs and around the brooms. Sprinkles falling like tiny stars, it looped past windows and landed on jars. Why it flew, I'll never know, but that cupcake stole the show. Now every bake I keep an eye, in case more cupcakes try to fly. I frost them slow and lay them down. No cupcakes leaving this baking town.